I honestly just screwed up big time and recorded about 45 minutes worth of footage with the camera off. So really, I didn't record anything. So yeah, let's go ahead and hit it with take number 2. We gotta have a slow poke in front of us going on to the interstate. Look at this, man. Behind the slowest person ever. This dude does not know how to enter an interstate. We're going 40 and we're about to be on the interstate. Look at this truck, dude. Okay. What's he doing, bro? He's over here. Is he about to just stop? He said he's trying to change his tune. Okay, I couldn't hear him at first, man. Okay, well, this truck right here is trying to race. That's pretty funny, man. We've been sitting here for a solid 5 minutes or so probably now. He's still in the process of changing his tune apparently. I'm not really sure what it takes to change a tune in a truck, but apparently it's a lot of work. I've been waiting on Buddy to change his tune for too long. dude literally took 5 minutes to change his tune just so he could get his ass kicked for 5 seconds. I'll see you, man. That dude asked me to pull off on the side of the road on the middle of the interstate in the middle of the night so he can change his tune, only to get his ass kicked yet again. I'm just gonna go ahead and get right back on the interstate, honestly. There's our driveway spilled out into the middle of the road. That's what I just ran over anyway. Alright guys, I don't know if you can even really see anything right now besides my headlights, so I'm gonna wrap this up real quick. It was a pretty epic night tonight, if you want to be honest. It started off by me forgetting to turn the camera on, which ended up being for the best because, man, I got to wax this truck who thought that by changing a tune he would be able to beat a sports car. Truck owners around here, man, they're always trying to race for some reason. That's gonna wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Peace out. I'll see you in the next one.